It.
That is a direct hotline to Santa Claus himself.
I can talk to Santa.
All right, revelers. Welcome to your worst Christmas ever.
Let's go!
You have $300 million in your personal vault. That's what I want for Christmas.
I don't want any trouble, okay? Someone's gonna scooch up that chimney.
Who is he? Because he's not your typical mall Santa.
Santa, are you there? Daddy said you were very busy tonight.
Good to see. I recommend it. Shaka thumbs down. Don't recommend it. And for David Harbour's, yes, from Stranger Things, and Marvel now, I guess. It is Violent Night. A Shaka thumbs up. This movie was so much fun. It's done lousy at the box office. I don't know why. I mean, it was pretty much marketed as what it said it was. Violent Night. I think maybe a lot of people have thought about, like the '70s slasher movie with, some kind of bloody Christmas movie. With Santa Claus with an axe or something, I think, is maybe the only reason people were put off by this movie. But it is nothing like that. It is not a slasher film. It is rated R. There is blood, there is cursing, and violence. But this is very much Die Hard Part 2 with Santa Claus, David Harbour, playing the part of Bruce Willis as Santa Claus, and not as somebody pretending to be Santa Claus, but the real Santa Claus. This little girl is held captive with her family on Christmas, I guess Christmas Eve, and Santa Claus comes to basically save them, save her, in fact. Pretty much all straightforward from the trailer. There are some definite nods to Die Hard 2 in here. Snowmobiles, a snowmobile chase, an icicle through the eye, or at least close to the eye anyways. Along with many, many other things. Do yourselves a favor. Go ahead and check it out at the theaters, however and whenever you can. In fact, it's going to be starting streaming here relatively soon. If not for Christmas, then just after Christmas. You can start looking for that wherever you stream your movies. All right. Mahalo and aloha.